All right, let's look at the homework 1.3, 1.4, problem number 1. All right, so we have a piecewise defined function and we want to find its domain and range. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we have, let's see, a piecewise defined function, and you can see that this function is defined for all possible x value. You can see that the top one is for all negative real values, and here these are all positive non-negative real values. All right, so domain is going to be all real numbers. So I'm going to just put that in. So it's going to be negative infinity. So let's see, maybe symbol infinity to positive infinity. Right? So that will be the domain because you can plug in any number you want. Right? But the range, you kind of have to know what the graph looks like. So let's sketch this graph. Right? So here is the x-axis. Right? Here is my y-axis. Alright, then we just need to sketch the rough picture. Alright, so when x is less than 0, sorry, graph is 3x plus 5. So that means that you have here, this is 5, right? Then the slope is 3, right? So I guess so it's gonna have a slope like that, right? It doesn't have to be super precise. So we have that. But we have to be a little bit careful because we can keep this when x is less than 0. So which means that we cannot have this part. So I'm going to just go ahead and erase it. And then not even this part right here. So I'm going to put the open circle here. So I'm going to have an open circle there. All right. So that's the half of the picture. All right. The other half is 5 minus x, right? So that's on the positive side. And let's see, 5. So y-intercept is 5, so let's go through this point right here, right? And the slope is negative 1, so it actually goes like this, right? So as you can see that the range is the possible y values. So this function take any value up to positive 5. So you cannot go beyond 5 since there's no graph there. But any number less than or equal to 5 would be the range. Right? So you have, right, starting from negative infinity, right? So symbol, right? Then the highest value is positive 5. Then we include 5, so we're going to put the square bracket. Right? So let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.